Hey folks, today we are going to make a hearty vegan dinner. So here at High Plant Repertoire, we are trying to build a new cooking repertoire, edging out a lot of meat, eggs, and dairy. While we're transitioning, we may need to come up with a hearty platter, reminiscent of traditional fare. I'll link the recipe videos below of some of the things used when assembling this, including dairy-free mashed potatoes, homemade vegan butter, and fat-free, meat-free gravy. Check this out. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.